You studied English for years, so why can't you speak it? Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. School taught you about English, not how to use English. You memorized grammar rules like they were maths equations. You learned vocabulary lists without ever hearing how native speakers actually use those words. For those who don't know me, my name is George Alex and I've been a fluency coach for over 35 years. Let me help you get over fear and frustration and activate your English. Use it confidently, freely, everywhere. The problem: your brain stored English as academic knowledge, not as a communication tool. It's the learning about swimming and the real swimming difference. You can learn from a textbook, but never get into the water. Can you really swim then? When it's time to speak, your brain panics because it never practiced the actual skill of speaking and communicating. Children don't learn languages by studying grammar. They acquire them naturally through exposure, mistakes, practice. That's natural learning, and it works for adults too. So here are 3 ways to shift from studying to acquiring. Number 1, watch English content that you would watch in your native language. Cooking shows, documentaries, comedy. Your brain learns while it is having fun and being entertained. Number 2, narrate your daily activities in English. I can't stress this enough. Many people don't really get the logic. But you can say, I'm making coffee, I'm having coffee, I'm opening the cupboard, I'm going to the kitchen. It sounds silly, but it activates normal language. And tip number 3 for today: find one conversation partner, even online, and speak for just 10 minutes twice a week. Please don't go to ChatGPT. It can do a lot of good things, but don't use ChatGPT for a conversation partner. Real conversation with a real person beats 10 hours of grammar drills. Stop treating English like a school subject. Start treating it like a skill that you use in real life. Join my free fluency classes. They activate your English, and there you discover how to unlock the English that's already inside you. The link is in my bio. Go register for the coming session because spaces are limited. And believe me, you will see what activation means. Join us.